Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and no matter how healthy we try to be, we all have some areas of our body that need a little extra TLC, and that's where this LOOKEE HealGlow therapy belt comes in. Now for me personally, I have always had issues with my neck, and especially my left shoulder has been very troublesome the past few years, and using this therapy belt has really helped me. Every time I use it, I find it so relaxing. It uses red light and infrared light, and I can feel it working almost immediately after I turn it on. I love how it comes with a remote that allows me to totally customize whatever treatment I want to do, and depending on the kind of issue I'm having and the time that I have available to me, I can totally make it work for me. Even if I only have a little bit of time to myself in the day, I can easily take 10 minutes to have a quick session with this therapy belt. The belt portion is very stretchy and the Velcro sticks onto the panel really securely, so I never feel like it's going to come off. I find that it really molds to the contours of my body, and I also feel like this means I can use it to target any area of my body. I've used it without having the belt attached to the panel too. It works really well this way. I can just lie straight down on it. It's just the right size that it can cover a great amount of area, but it's also not so big that it would be awkward to work with. I found that this LOOKEE therapy belt is a very convenient and effective option for anyone wanting to increase their well-being from the comfort of their own home. But that's just my point of view.